For decades, despite manufacturing nearly 80% of the world's ballpoint pens, one country faced a surprising challenge. This industrial giant, a powerhouse in countless sectors, found itself unable to produce high-quality pen tips internally. Imagine a nation crafting almost everything, yet relying on imports for this tiny, critical component of everyday writing. This seemingly minor detail reveals a fascinating global story about innovation, precision, and national pride in unexpected ways. The humble ballpoint pen, an ubiquitous tool in every corner of the planet, holds a complex international narrative. It transformed communication and education across cultures, becoming far more than just a simple writing instrument. From bustling market stalls in India to sophisticated European boardrooms, pens silently facilitate daily life everywhere. Understanding its global journey uncovers surprising economic dependencies and technological aspirations among nations. You might assume such a basic item presents no manufacturing hurdles for any technologically advanced society. However, the precise engineering required for a smooth, consistent ink flow is far more intricate than it appears. This tiny, rotating ball and its perfectly formulated ink represent a pinnacle of material science and micro-manufacturing. Countries worldwide have approached its production and adoption with distinct strategies and varying degrees of success. Some nations embraced mass production, prioritizing affordability and widespread accessibility for their populations. Others focused on crafting luxury versions, elevating the writing experience to an art form with exquisite materials. This global landscape of pen production highlights fascinating differences in industrial capabilities and consumer preferences. The story of the ballpoint truly began with Hungarian journalist Laszlo Biro seeking a cleaner, faster alternative to fountain pens. Frustrated by smudged newspapers, he noticed printer's ink dried quickly and then collaborated with his brother György, a chemist. Together, they developed a viscous ink and a tiny ball bearing that rolled the ink onto paper without smudging or leaking. This ingenious invention, patented in 1938, faced early production challenges, particularly with consistent ink delivery mechanisms. Yet the story of its global adoption took an even more peculiar and unexpected turn. Biro moved to Argentina in 1940, securing a new patent and launching the Byrome pen, a portmanteau of his name and a partner's. The British Royal Air Force quickly adopted these pens during World War II, needing reliable writing tools for high-altitude navigation. Unlike fountain pens, ballpoints did not leak at altitude, proving their practical superiority in demanding environments. This military endorsement propelled the pen onto the world stage, demonstrating its robust design and revolutionary functionality. However, the commercial success that followed brought its own set of unexpected manufacturing dilemmas for many countries. Crafting the tiny ball, typically made of tungsten carbide, requires extreme precision, often measured in micrometers. The ball's surface must be perfectly spherical and incredibly smooth to ensure flawless rotation and even ink distribution. Simultaneously, the ink itself needs a specific viscosity, allowing it to flow easily but dry almost instantly upon application. This delicate balance of materials and engineering proved surprisingly difficult for many nations to master independently. However, the greatest manufacturing challenge for a major industrial power was still unfolding. For years, despite its massive industrial capacity, one specific country struggled immensely with producing these high-grade pen tips. Manufacturers there could produce the plastic barrels, the springs, and even assemble the pens, but not the critical ballpoint mechanism. They relied heavily on imports from nations like Switzerland, Germany, and Japan for the tiny, high-precision steel or tungsten carbide balls. This dependence meant that domestic pen producers faced significant bottlenecks and increased costs for their finished products. But then, a remarkable shift occurred as national ambition ignited intense manufacturing persistence. Driven by a desire for complete self-sufficiency, this country invested billions into research and development for pen tip manufacturing. They meticulously studied the metallurgy of the ball, the lubricants, and the complex machinery needed for precision grinding. This national effort spanned years, involving universities, research institutes, and numerous private companies working collaboratively. Slowly, painstakingly, they began to crack the code of high-precision micro-manufacturing for these tiny, essential components. This long and arduous journey underscores the hidden complexities behind even the most common, everyday objects we often take for granted. Furthermore, different countries developed unique ink formulations to suit varying climates and writing preferences. The ballpoint pen's global journey profoundly influenced literacy rates, especially in developing nations and remote communities. Its affordability and reliability meant writing became accessible to millions who previously struggled with expensive fountain pen ink. This accessibility democratized education, allowing more students to take notes efficiently and practice their writing skills frequently. Consider the immense ripple effect of a tool that empowers widespread communication and record-keeping across continents. In many countries, the ballpoint quickly became a symbol of progress and modernity, replacing traditional dip pens and quills. The economic impact was also significant, fostering massive industries dedicated to pen production and distribution worldwide. Local economies thrived around manufacturing hubs, creating countless jobs from assembly line workers to material suppliers. Moreover, the pen's widespread adoption indirectly spurred innovation in related fields like paper production and printing technologies. The struggle to perfect the pen tip in one nation highlights the critical importance of precision engineering for seemingly simple products. This pursuit of self-reliance ultimately strengthened their entire manufacturing sector, proving the value of investing in fundamental research. It demonstrates that even a small component can represent a significant technological barrier and a point of national pride. The ballpoint pen truly embodies how a seemingly minor invention can wield colossal influence over global commerce and human development. It stands as a testament to persistent human ingenuity, constantly striving for better, more efficient ways to communicate and create. This tiny instrument connects us all through shared experiences of writing, learning, and expressing thoughts across every border. Ultimately, the global journey of the ballpoint pen reveals fascinating insights into national capabilities, innovation, and shared human progress. From its wartime origins to its impact on global literacy, this everyday item possesses a surprisingly rich and interconnected history. It reminds us that even the simplest tools often carry profound stories of engineering marvels and significant cultural shifts across countries. If you found this intricate global story fascinating, subscribe for more incredible facts about the items shaping our world. Also, share your thoughts in the comments about which country's pen journey surprised you most.